Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Samabprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 We'll see the fourth lesson of Anton. The fourth lesson, up to third lesson, we have done all the exercises, homework, I think. So, next lesson, we'll see. The fourth lesson deals with Divadigana Dhatus. We know Divadigana. Divadi is fourth Gana. Gana Vikrana is? What is the Gana Vikrana?
Shan.
Shan is the Gana Vikrana. Sarvadhatukam va Ardhadhatukam va?
Sarvadhatukam.
It is Sarvadhatukam. Shitvat Sarvadhatukam. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Will it cause Angakarya? Yes or no?
No.
It will not cause Angakarya.
No
Why?
Angakarya.
Why? Apitvat. Apitvat Angakarya Hana Bhavati. What is the first dhatu of this Gana?
Div.
What is the Rupam?
Divyati.
Deepyati.
Div dhatu becomes Divyati. How it becomes Divyati? We saw that also. Div dhatu becomes Divyati. Divyati, Divyataha, Divyanti. Katam. Do you remember how it becomes?
Gana Vikarana Pratyaya Guruji.
Gana Vikrana Pratyaya. Shan will come. So, I think we have seen, right?
Yes.
All the dhatus of this Gana. Fourth Gana we have completed.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, then you must be knowing.
Vakaranta dhatu will have dirkatvam, upada dirkatvam. If it is Raswa Ach.
Yes. Repa or Vakara of the dhatu, when followed by a consonant, then the preceding equilater will take dirghatvam. That is what we saw, right? Therefore, divyati, sivyati, that is also dhatu in this Gana only. So, divyati, sivyati, iti, all this form. right? So divyati, divdhatu, similarly sivyati, that is also the same gana. Anyway, so this is just to recall. Push become pushyati, pushyati, pushyataha, pushyanti. We know all the derivations, so we don't need to yet. And sandhi, we know sandhi also. Here, nattam is talking about nattam. What is nattam? What is nattam?
Rukara, Repa, and Chakara is a nimittam.
Murthanya Nakara point.
Complete this. When preceded by, immediately preceded by, or intervened by?
Any other num or
At kub vang num vyavaye api. At letter, or ku letter, or pu letter, or num, or ang vyavaye api. Even when they intervene. Intervene what? Intervene repa,
Repa,
kara,
Rukara,
Rukara. And Nakara has to be at where? Can be at the end of the padam.
No, not at the end of the padam.
Not at the end of the padam.
That is important. Apadantasya nakarasya. Apadantasya nakarasya natvam bhavati natva adeshaha murdanya nakaraha bhavati kada bhavati preceded by idi purvaha purvavaranaha rikaraha va repaha va atava chakaraha va vyavaye api at kup vang num vyavaye api bhavati iti natvam. They are seen. Given many examples also, I think, right? We have seen this before, yes. So you can recall. And that is what he says here. Okay. Anyway, we know. Shariram, sharire, sharirani. It is Napumsakalinga Shabda. We will see after some time how this form comes. Shariram, sharire, sharirani, etc. That we will see. Okay. Now, let us go to the other part. He is just giving for you to remember this simple natvam by this rule. Rishir Vanamayam Chatata Salesham. In order to remove the above rule. What is the above rule? The Natta rule. That is Rikara, Shakara, and Repa. These are the nimitta in causing Apadanta Nakara to Mudri Nakara. So, therefore, Va, Na, Ma, Ya, Cha, Ta, Ta, Vanamayam, when followed by all these are given Makara, Nakara, Makara, Yakara, it changes Nakara. Satata Shalesham, Chatata Micha means Chatata Salesham, provided intervening vowels be not palatals. Need not be palatals. Therefore, excepting Chatata, then or one of the letters Sal, La, Sha, Salesham, Iti. Anyway, we know the sutra, therefore we need not remember this. Just helping you by giving this Rishir Vanamayam Chatata Salesham. That is in the same padam, Apadanta Nakara when preceded by Rikara, Shakara, Repa, or even when intervened by the vowel or Vakara, Nakara, Makara, Ekara, it is changed to Nakara, he says. And the intervening vowel should not be Chavarga letter, Tavarga letter, Tavarga letter, and Sakara, Lakara, Shakara. Anyway, this is just to make us see this, know this. Anyway, we know this, therefore you need not worry about this. Okay. Then, first conjugation. I'm just guessing the language of what are the words he used. You can see irregular verbs, irregular forms. There is no regular, irregular. All these are the words, which the words of Anton. Why it is regular, irregular? Pat plus ti is patati directly. No problem in that. Patati. Similarly, kad Kadati, Davati, just straightforward. Whereas gum is not gamati, it is gachati. We know gam dhatu, when followed by shit, pratyaya, gum will be replaced by gach, therefore gachati. Yam dhatu, yachati. One more dhatu is there in yam, da dhatu, da also will be replaced by yach only. So yachati you get. And gug dhatu is also all these things we have seen. The Vadigana, if you please go and check your notes, it is there. Guhati, ukara is replaced by ukara. Why here it replaces by ukara? Why not? Why it means, you know, what happens here? Guk is rasva upada. Guna doesn't happen. Gu will become, supposed to become go. You have one sutra, gogaha. One sutram is there. By that, guna will not happen. It becomes dirgha. Gogaha, dirgha. I think one sutram is there which says like that. So, guna will not happen. Dirgha will happen in the place of guna. Dirgha will be the adesha. This is exception. That's why irregular, it says. And sad, important dhatu. Why important? From this only we have the word Upanishad. Shadalu. Avasana gati. Visharana gati avasadhaneshu arteshu. Shadalu, murdanya, shakara. Shadalu dhatu. So, shadalu dhatu. And that becomes Sidanti Mamagatrani. Sidati is also meant to sit. Sidanti Mamagatrani is falling apart. That is the dhatu. Upanishad, their meaning is different. Upanishad is Nishchaya Jnanam Upanishad. So that is Sadhu dhatu, becomes Sida. Similarly, Gra become Jigra. Pa become Pibha. Sta become Tishta. Damsh become Dashati, not Damshati. Please note. Dma dhatu, very famous dhatu. Dma dhatu, dhamati. Where it is famous? Shankanta dmau pratak pratak.
First
Where is
adhyay.
that?
First adhyay. Gita.
Some many places. Divyo, Shankau, pratat matuhu. All these things you will see in the first chapter. That is in the first chapter, Dadmau, Dadmatuhu, the words what you see, the Kriya Padam. These are lit lakara. We have not seen. We have seen only Sarvadhatu Kalakara, the lat, lung, lot, and link. This is lit lakara, remote past. Singanadam Vinod Dyochaihi Shankam Dadmau Pratapavan. Pratapavan Shankam Dadmau. Singanadam Vinadya Uchaihi Shankam Dadmau. Dadmau is Damitavan Ityataha. He blew. That is remote past. It's called lit lakara. So in the Gita, you see these lit forms. The first chapter only you will find the lit forms. Later chapters, there is no story. So therefore, only Upadesha. Therefore, you don't see lit forms. Lit forms you will find in stories. You find in Ramayana, Mahabharata, Ramodantam, the text is that you will find many lit lakaras, remote past. That is parokshe, that you have not seen, but it had happened long before. Maybe you can say even 1 year before what had happened is, it's a, you can say, if you have not seen, then it is lit lakara we can use. So that is what is in the Gita, that Dadmau. This is a dhatu, Dma dhatu. Damati damataha damanti, lit rupam, and it is, form is different. Dadmau, Dadmatuhu, Dadmuhu, it will be. Okay. So anyway, that Damati, Dma dhatu. Then Drish dhatu, very important dhatu. Darshanam, that is Parshyati. These are the irregular forms. And fourth Gana, irregular forms. First dhatu itself is irregular because that Ikara, that letter becomes Dirgha, Dirgyati, Sivyati, etc. We know how it happens. That is Repa or Vaka, Repanta or Vakaranta dhatu when followed by a
Hal.
consonant. Then its preceding ik will get Dirghadesha.
Dirghadesha.
Either at the end of the Padam, also possible. Okay, please note. Either Vakara or Repa at the end of the Padam. But here it cannot be Padam because Div plus Shan plus Tit. right? Therefore, they are not at the end of the padam. So what happens is,
Followed by
this
hal.
is followed by a hal. Shan is a pratyaya, so that follows, right? So therefore, that when that follows, this happens. Shan follows. Divyat. Sham, this also we have seen. Sham becomes
Sham.
Ashtanam Shami Dirgaha, we have seen. Remember, you have to
Tam,
recall.
tam, dam, sham, bram.
Yeah, some Ashtanam, some 8 dhatus,
Eight dhatus.
when followed by Shan.
Shan.
If you have the notes, please check.
Yes, Guruji.
It's all long
Ninth.
back.
The ninth
Shamyati,
rule, Samadhi Antargana.
Shamadhi Antargana, when
Yes.
followed by Shani Dirgaha Bhavati, Shamam Ashtanam Shani. Not Shani, okay, not Shanishwara. Shani. So when followed by Shan Pratyaya, these 8 dhatus will get Dirgatvam.
Dirgatvam.
Okay, gets Dirgatvam means what? What will get Dirga?
That Upada.
Upada.
Dirga
Upada
means
Dirgatva.
there is no
Vowel
Upada
will
there.
get-
There is no Upada of the word. Which will get Dirgatvam then?
The preceding vowel.
Dirga means, can it be a consonant?
No, it is a vowel.
Vida.
When we say
Vowel.
Rasvaha, Dirgaha, Plutaha, it can mean only a vowel.
Vowels.
Therefore, Dirga Deshaha will come means Sham is a dhatu. Therefore, you have to find what vowel is there in the dhatu. Only
Yes.
Akara. And Akara happens to be the Upada. Therefore, that will get Dirgatvam. That's a sutra which says, Paribhasha Sutra is Achascha. I told you, I think, if you're interested, please watch Samskrita Vyakarana Prabodhini class. It will be easy for you to understand that this sutra, last class, I think, before that, I did this Achascha Paribhasha. Now I remember the example, what example I could have given in that class. But anyway, those they are not prepared, so I cannot give any example. If I give, I'll be caught. So they will not be knowing. But now you can understand. Achascha, that Pari Sutra, there's a sutra of Achascha 1 to 28 in the Ashtadhyayi. That Paribhasha says, wherever a Rasva Adesha, Dirga Adesha, Pruta Adesha takes place or is ordained in the Sutra Pata, it can happen only in the place of vowels.
Vowels.
So that's what Achascha, the Paribhasha says. Rasva, Dirga, Pruta are the Sanya, are the names. Names to name of the vowels, right? And when a Rasva Adesha, Dirga Adesha, Pruta Adesha is given, that can happen only in the place of the vowels alone. Ach only. That's what Achascha Paribhasha. Understand? Simple Paribhasha it is. So therefore, Sham. In Sham, Upada is Akara. Therefore, it is replaced by Akara, Dirgaha. Dirga means Akara. Akara's long is Akara. Therefore, Akara comes. Not Ikara and A. Because, okay, this is another. You tell me. Why Akara is replaced by its Akara? Why not? Dirga means Ikara also Dirga, Ukara also Dirga, Rukara
Place
also
of
Dirga.
pronunciation.
Exactly. So Akara has got how many Savarna forms? We have seen
18.
18 forms. And therefore, among the 18 only you have to select one. Among the 18, and for all practical purposes, you can exclude other forms. You can consider Rasva, Dirga, Pluta alone you can take. Okay. We have got Rasva, Dirga, Pluta. Only 3 you can take. So among the 18, only 3. So Rasva is replace it by Dirga means only Akara is left out. You have to replace it by Akara. That is the okay. For this also we have a anyway, we know Sutram is there. So replace it by the corresponding Dirga letter. Therefore Shamyati. And all the he has not given all the 8 dhatus. Anyway, but you know, Dam is the Dhamyati, etc. So Shram, Shramyati. Tired to be very, very Mad, Madhyati. Mad becomes Madhyati. Vyad. What is the speciality about Vyad? See, all these you can recall your the Divadigana class. what we have done before. You can recall all some of, not all, at least some of the important the rules changes, what's happening to the dhatu, you can recall. Get the dhatu, important. What happens here? Something special is there.
Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam, very good. Samprasaranam, what is samprasaranam?
Reversal of
Reversal of yana.
Reversal of yan. What is yana? Okay.
So ik is replaced by, in Samprasaran, ya is replaced by e.
Yes. So yakara is replaced by ik yanaha samprasaranam. Sutram is that. Iko yanachi is yan sandhi. Ikaha stane yan adeshaha yan sandhi. Ik yanaha samprasaranam. Yanaha stane ik adeshaha samprasaranam bhavati. Okay. So see. I think, I taught you the sutram, right? Iko yanachi, how it comes and all. You saw. Yeah.
Yes.
What is tani, what is all those things I taught you, right? Ikaha. What is sutram? For yan sandhi.
Iko yanachi.
What is ikaha?
Tani.
And what is yan?
Adesha.
Adesha.
So, stani means what? That is replaced, right? So that which is replaced will be in Shashti Vibhakti. And what replaces is Adesha. That will be in
Prathama.
Prathama Vibhakti. Therefore, ikaha yan achi. Sutram, right? Now you can write the sutram for samprasaranam. What is samprasaranam? Tell the sutram.
Yano ikachi.
Again? It's okay, tell. In samprasaranam, what happens?
Yan is replaced by ik.
So therefore, yan will be in what vibhakti?
Yan is in Shashti and ik will be in Prathama.
Therefore, what is the form? Shashti of yan is?
Yani.
Shashti of n is yani.
Yan is Saptama.
Sorry.
Yanaha. Like Marut Shabdavat. Right? And what is the ik there? Ik is
Prathama. So
Adesha. So what will be the form of Prathama there?
Ikaha.
Ikaha. No. Like Marut Shabda.
ik.
See, Iko Yanachi, like the same way, Iko Yanachi. See, you said Iko Yanachi, Ikaha is a stani, therefore Ikaha, Yan is the Adesha, Yana, right? The same thing for here also. Ikaha, Yan,
Yana.
Achi. This is Yan Sandhi. Here it would be Yanaha,
Ik.
Ik. That's called Samprasaranam, right?
Samprasaranam.
This is the sutra. Now, we'll just put it like this. Ik yanaha, yes, sandhi will happen. What sandhi will happen?
And it will be just Melanam.
You can do sandhi. Why not? Sandhi can do it. Why melanam?
Yeah.
Ik is a padam. Padanta,
Ikyana.
jal.
Ikyana.
Replace it by. Gakara. Simple, right? Ik yanaha samprasa. That is a sutram. See? Iko yanachi is a sutram. Ik yanaha is also another sutram. That's what samprasaranam is all about. Whether you say yanaha, ik, all same, but Panini Maharishi has given ik yanaha samprasaranam. Ik yanaha samprasaranam is ik, then yanaha samprasaranam. That is yanaha stane ik adeshaha bhavati. Samprasaranam bhavati. That is ik will be called samprasaranam. That's why process is called samprasaranam as well as substituted is also called samprasaranam myself. Now you know the sutra, simple. Okay. So that is what happens here. Therefore, yakara will become ikara. Therefore, once it has happened, means one time only. Again, it will not happen. All those things we have seen. As samprasaranam, etc. Anyway, sutra we have not seen, but anyway, you know it. So vidyati, the form you get. Okay, leave that. The next one. Brunch Bramsh Dhatu also we have seen. Brashyati. That becomes Brashyati. Ksham. Kshamyati. Brahm. Brahm we have seen recently also. It is there in first Kana as well as fourth Kana. It can take the first Kana Vikrana also. Therefore, you have
Brahmati.
Brahmati,
Brahmati,
Brahmyati,
Brahmati.
Brahmati, Brahmyati. Three forms are there. Yes or no? Please check your notes.
Yes, sir.
Brahm Dhatu, which can take Shap. You can take Shap also. Therefore, you will have Brahmati. And this Gana, it is Brahmyati. That is also possible. One more form also, it is the Dirghatum. Happens optionally, right? Brahmyati also it is there, I think. Three forms are there. You can check. Brahmati, Brahmyati, Brahmyati. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the dhatus are dealt here, so you can see. Okay. Maybe after some time, here I will deal with some karakas elaborately. Elaborately sufficiently, but you know, we'll see that with examples. Now let us do the exercise. Okay. You know, this subject object verb says, it's okay, you know that. All those things we know. Na is a negation which is placed immediately before the verb. Okay. This, since we already know, but still you can see. You always see the Kriya Padam at the end. This you can make it your standard, writing or understanding procedure. Always starts, you have to look at the Kriya Padam in a sentence. Or even when you are writing, you put the Kriya Padam at the end of the sentence. Karta in the beginning, followed by other karakas, karma, etc. And Upapada Vibhaktis, of course. And the Shashti Vibhakti should be in closer to the karaka, whatever karaka it is connected with. Then if the negation is that na, remember na is negation, that always comes with the Kriya Padam. The king doesn't blame the servants. In the Bhashyam or in the Shloka and all, na you will come, nainam chindanti shastrani means. Okay, there it is, na yenam is there, na chindanti is put. We had na to add to chindanti, to the Kriya Padam. That's what it says here. Na always you place before the Kriya Padam. Here nindanti. So nindati, kaha nindati, nirpaha. And it is na nindati. So add the negative to the particle to the Kriya Padam, closer to. Rearrange the words in such a way that na is just placed before the Kriya Padam so that the sentence is, meaning of the sentence is clear. Okay. Then conjunction, the cha is either repeated after each of the noun or it is written only once, your choice. Narascha bhalascha gramam gacchati or naraha balaha cha gramam gacchati, your choice is there. Okay. And more on this also we will see. There are certain things are there here, but we will see that later, not here in this context. What will happen if it is other things are there, Vachanam, other Purushas, etc. Now some more dhatus. Asdhatu. Asdhatu, which gana, what does it mean? As is, Sattayam also it is there. As is to be, that is different. That is in the second gana. Asti staha santi.
Asti.
Here it is, as means to throw, kshipyati, kshipati ityartaha, asyati. That is why astram. What is astram? That which can be thrown. Missile is called astram. Shastram is which is held in your hand and fought. Sword, etc. Sword, knife. They are called shastram. Shastram, astram. Nainam chindanti shastrani. Astrani or shastrani? Shastrani. Shastra is sword, etc. That even by astram also we have to understand. Nainam chindanti astrani also. Shastrani means weapon. Shastrani implies astrani, anything, weapons. So asyati. Tush. Tushyati. Nash. Nashyati. Nash dhatu. See. Shakani nashyanti. Means what? Shakani, vegetables, or palani nash. Perish. So the action for which, what is the karma? It is such a, it's another dhatu, you have to see some peculiarities. The dhatu. What is the karma of this nashyati? Shakani or palani nashyanti. Right?
There's no
Karma is
Karma.
that phalam itself becomes, it perishes, right? So the action falls on the very subject itself. This is what this dhatu does. The action falls on the subject itself. So nashayati, when you say, it becomes sakarmaka. Okay, this dhatu is something very peculiar dhatu. You can note this. Okay, this is nashyati. Then nirdhatu, nrityati, pushyati, mukhyati, etc. Damshati, dashati, nindanti. Nindanti. Nindanti, we have seen something very important, that is property there. What is the Upadeshika dhatu? It's difficult to remember everything, but still, not I am telling the answer. What is that here? What is the original dhatu?
Murdanya nakara.
Very good. And that is one thing. Another one? This is one thing.
Nakara there is not there in the Upadeshika dhatu.
Additional nakara.
Therefore, what should have been the dhatu?
Nid.
Nidin.
No. What is it?
Nidam.
It is nidhi. Idit dhatu. Ikara is it letter. Yes, remember?
Yes, Guruji.
If ikara as an it letter, there the dhatu, then it will get num agama, right?
Yes.
So Mudani nakara becoming dantya nakara is one thing, and ikara being it letter, therefore num agama comes, therefore nind. Nind is not the original dhatu. Original dhatu is nidhi.
Like vadi,
So
like vadi dhatu, vandu.
Vandu dhatu, yes, vadi. Yes, vandate, vandate, atmanipadi dhatu. So like vadi, nidhi. So therefore, nummakama. Therefore, this dhatu is a idit dhatu. What dhatu? Idit. Idit means what? It yasya saha. That dhatu in which ikara is it letter. Very important. Why important? Idit, anidit is important. That which is not a it. That's a rule. That's very commonly and widely used. That's very important. In some other context, we will see that. So here, idit dhatu, you have to note. And they will become divyati, shamyati, kshamyati, shramyati, madhyati, all those things we have seen. Arati. Arati, which gana is that? Does it belong to this gana? Divadi gana? Yes or no?
No,
How do you know it is not?
because it becomes har. Ra becomes har.
Because there is no shya. Yakara is not there, right? So therefore it cannot be. Kuru has taken guna also. Kuru has become har. Therefore, which gana is it?
First gana.
First gana. No, in no other gana this happens. Please note. First gana we have shap, fourth gana shan, sixth gana sha. In all the other ganas also, this change doesn't happen. Therefore, if at all guna happens, just close your eyes and say it is first gana. Okay. Gru has become hara, guna has happened, then it is first gana only. Then gam dhatu become gachati, first gana. Yam yachati, dan dhatu, dane, that is also first gana. All these are first gana dhatu, already we have seen. Then your vocabulary you can read and improve yourself. Prasadaha means palace, not prasadaha. Now let us do the translation, get into the translation. Please read. Who wants to read? One by one.
Nrupaha acharam nindati.
Where is Nrupaha? Visarga not there.
Nrupa acharam nindati.
It's okay. It's good you read. Yeah, you can tell me how it has become Lopa.
Preceded by a and followed by a.
Exact. Preceded by a and followed by?
Preceded by a.
Okay.
And
followed by
akara.
Akara.
What happened to the repa there? Visarga there?
So it disappears.
How?
Becomes ya and then
Exactly. That's what I wanted to ask. Becoming yakara and then lopa. Disappearance is
drop optional.
preceded by yakara, followed by ash letter. Right? The sutra, have we seen this? No?
Yes, we have seen.
Sutram
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Yeah. Bo bhagago apurvasya yoshi. You remember?
Yes.
Apurvasya. That A is what? Avarna. A stands for apurvaha, means avarna purvaha. Akara or akara. Apurvasya ashi pare yakara adesha bhavati. Yakarasya lopaha
Lopa bhavat.
katam. How? Lopaha shakalyasya. See, in Ayadi Sandhi also we do the same thing, right?
Yes. Yes.
In Ayadi Sandhi, if it is Padanta Yakara or Vakara.
Akara.
And Ayadi Sandhi, we have I, av. That also, if it happens to be Padanta Yakara, then followed by an Ash letter. Ash letter means what? Ach and Hush.
Ach plus hush.
When followed by vowel, Lopaha is optional. Whereas when followed by a consonant, Lopaha
It is mandatory.
You have to remove it. Okay. Therefore, Nirpaha. So it starts with the Kriya Pada when you do the translation or understanding. Nindati, Kaha Nindati, like that. So that becomes an habit. Kaha Nindati.
Nirpaha Nindati.
And the karma is
Acharam Nindati.
Acharam also you can note. I mean, we are not saying what type of word is this, but you can just note the dhatu is implied in the word. Huh?
Char dhatu.
Char dhatu. Yes. A upasarga, char dhatu. And what else happens? Upada dirghatam happens, right? Char.
Char.
Then char, then a is added. Chara you get, right? Char becomes char. And char becomes chara. With a upasarga, achara. Akarantaha, pullingaha, achara shabdaha. Acharaha, acharo, acharaha, acharam. Right? So, what is achara?
Behavior.
It is bhavarthe. That's a krit pratyaya, ghai pratyaya is added. Okay, all these are incidental information. I don't expect you to remember. Okay, you just take as much you can. We will be dealing with all these things in some other context elaborately. This is called this is a krit pratyaya. Please note, this is a krit pratyaya. Because the ita letter, see here, ghai is a pratyaya whose content is gakara, akara, then nakara. Whose content is a only. Gakara is ita letter. Therefore, it's a git pratyaya. Yeah, that is also ita letter. Because gakara is ita letter only, here upada vriddhi happens. Therefore, char becomes char. Char plus a will become chara. So a upasarga becomes achara. So it is bhave in the sense of the abstract now, the sense of the meaning of the dhatu. Dhatu artha, the same meaning gives ghai pratyaya. Okay. So achara. So we can decline this achara. So shabda no. So nirpaha acharam nindati. Okay. Meaning is?
The king criticizes the behavior.
Okay, next one.
Rudam paritaha kusumani rohanti.
Start with the Kriya Padam.
Rohanti. Ru dhatu.
Which gana, you know?
Purusha bahuvachanam.
Which gana is that? Ru become ro means what gana it has to be?
Gana. First gana.
Vadi gana. Kani rohanti.
Kusumani rohanti. Kusuma shabda bahuvachanam. Prathama vibhakti ek bahuvachanam.
Napumsakalinga. Okay.
Rudam paritaha. So paritaha is
not rudam. Hradam it is.
Radam paritaha.
Hradam.
Radam.
Not hru. Hru, you can say akara plus rukara. Yeah. Conjunct consonant. Hradam paritaha.
Paritah.
Okay. Haradam, what vibhakti?
The second, because it is with paritah.
Therefore, upapada vibhakti. We saw in the last class, in the last lesson.
Yes.
Haradam paritah. What is paritah?
All around, surrounding.
Around. So Haradam paritah. So how do you ask to get the answer?
Kutra rohanti.
Putra rohanti is one thing. Another way of asking, very good. Kam paritaha.
Kam paritah.
Kam paritaha. Hrada is pullinga. Okay. Hradaha means a lake. Hradam paritaha, around the lake, surrounding the lake. Usmani roganti, flowers grow. So this is upapada vibhakti. Okay, next one.
Shariram nashyati.
Yes.
Nashyati. Nash is the
Dhatu. It's okay. That is
Nashyati is Latlakara, Pradama Purusha, and Ekavachanam. Nashyati.
Yes.
Shariram is the just now you said that it is the karta itself decays, just like for vegetables you said. The same explanation explains adds here.
So Shariram undergoes change. Shariram gets destroyed. So Shariram nashyati.
Shariram
right?
nashyati.
So the Kriya Palam falls on the very subject itself.
Subject.
That Ashana, yeah. So Shariram nashyati. Okay. Then
Daso Gajam Pushyati. Is it Guruji? That
Pushyati only. First you have to do Sandhi Vicheda.
Yeah. Dasoho Gajam. Even here, it is not Daso. The Visarga has gone because of the Visarga Sandhi rule, Yakara, and then because it is followed by
not Yakara.
consonant.
If Yakara has come, it would have gone. Not Yakara
it is dropped mandatorily.
But here Yakara is not dropped. Here, what is the Sandhi? You have to split.
Akara and followed by Akara, followed by Ukara, Una Sandhi.
So, what is Daso? Daso is equal to? Dasaha. It is Visarga preceded by Akara, followed by hush letter. Visarga means, you know, it is Ru. Ru is replaced by Ukara, then Guna, then Daso. Right? So, Daso is equal to Daso. That is why I have to split the Sandhi first. Slowly, there's simple sentences will start and big sentences will come. Bhashim, etc. That we have to split to understand what it is. So, Dasaha is a word.
Kriya Padam also denotes single Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, yes. So, Pushyati means?
Nourishes, feeds.
Nourishes, yeah, feeds, nourishes. Kaha Pushyati?
Gajam.
Dasaha. Karta should be the answer. Kam Pushyati? Gajam. So, Gajam karma. Karmatva Dvitiya Vibhakti and Abhigita is Karta Prathama Vibhakti. Unsaid. We know. Abhigita. Anything Abhigita is Prathama. Okay, continue. Next one.
Prasada Mabito Rutyamaha.
You have to read, split and read.
Prasadam Abhitoho
Abhitoho, you cannot add Oho. Where is Visarga?
Abhito Rutyamaha. Abhitaha, because I am thinking that Abhitaha has become Abhito.
Yes, Abhitaha only has become Abhito, not Abhitoho, right?
Abhito, just like Daso, it is also
same.
Abhito.
Abhitaha, yes, Abhito, yes.
Rutyamaha. This is the plural of Uttama Purusha, Bahuvachanam.
Yes. Ke Nityamaha is Vayam Nityamaha, right? We play. Yeah. So we dance. Sorry, we dance. Where?
Prasadam Abhitaha.
Abhitaha means?
Near. Surrounding.
Near. Samipe.
Near.
Or in front, whatever it is, right? Kam paritaha, sir. Kam abhitaha.
Prasadam.
Prasadam means?
Palace.
Palace. So we dance near the palace. Right? Karta is Vayam, Prasada is Karma. It is not Karma Karaka, it is Upapada Vibhakti. Next one, continue. Please read.
Naraha Shramyati Jalam Cha Pibati. Pibati is the Kriya Padam here.
One more is there.
Sorry.
One more Kriya Padam also is there.
Shramyati also is Kriya Padam, Guruji.
Yes.
Naraha Shramyati. When they work hard, they drink water.
When he works hard.
No, Naraha Shramyati Jalam Cha Pibati.
Man gets tired and drinks water.
They drink water.
Naraha Shramyati, that man is tired.
Naraha Jalam Pibati.
He drinks water. So for Shramyati, what is the karma? No karma.
Shram. No karma.
No karma. Dhatu is Shram. Fine. Naraha Shramyati. Kaha Shramyati Naraha.
Naraha.
For Pibati?
Jalam Pibati.
Jalam. The karma is there. Okay. So Padhatu, Sakarmaka Dhatu. Shram Dhatu, Akarmaka Dhatu. Cannot take karma. Next one.
Anybody else, Guruji, or can I continue?
Anybody can do, no problem. Yeah.
Janashchandram Pashyati Tushyati Cha. Janaha Chandram Pashyati Tushyati Cha.
Lataji, are you the person who asked me very long back that Badram Karnevi Shunyama Devaha, the Tushtuvahum, something you asked, no? Long back. Did you ask or somebody else?
No, I didn't ask, Guruji.
Not now. Very long back.
Maybe
not you.
I got.
That in the Shanti Pata, Badram Karne Vishnudayama Devaha, Badram Pashye Makshaviryajatraha, Tirairangai is Tushtuvahum, Sastanu Bigita Tushtuvahum. Did you ask me? Because I remember your name only.
Guruji. Yes, Guruji. I remember now.
You asked me, no?
Very long back.
Because that time I told you have not come up to the level. Cannot.
Yes, Guruji. I know.
Even now also I will say the same answer only.
Okay.
Why I am saying this? For the advanced class, the last Ashtadhyayi Pravesha class, I have done this Shabda. That's why you can see that. Okay. Now, I mean, I don't know. It's with too much I for you. I mean, for this class, I'm saying that. But Litlakara, I told, no? Litlakara, remote past.
You said Litlakara.
If you watch that class, I hope you will understand. If not, we have to wait for time. That class, there are a lot of mistakes also. Anyway, that mistakes apart, I correct it also later. That Stu Dhatu, Stu means price, Stuti, Stutau. It is in the second Gana. See, Litlakara, I told you, now just a remote past. It's Ardha Dhatu Kalakara. You know Sarva Dhatu Kalakara, Ardha Dhatu Kalakara.
Yes, Guruji.
So this is Ardha Dhatu Kalakara, Lit. So Stu plus Lit, what you get? I mean, I'm not asking you the form, okay. Form is difficult. I'm not asking you the form. Just asking what you get. Kriya Padam, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Guruji.
You get Kriya Padam. Because Stu Dhatu and Lakara Pratyaya if you add. So what do you get?
Kriya.
Because Tingantam Padam, Suptingantam Padam, right? So Lit Lakara, when you add, you get Padam. You will have the form Tushtava. It's okay. The form is not required. Tushtava, Tushtavathu, Tushtuvuhu, iti Rupam you will get. That is not, we are not interested. Kriya Padam. In Veda, there is some pratyaya called Kosu pratyaya, not Kosu, mosquito. This is Kosu. Okay. Something Kosu. Kosu. This is a pratyaya which gives a sense of remote. Litlakara sense. But what you get is a padam. What you get is a pratipadikam. You see, what is get a pratipadikam? The pratipadikam conveys a kala which is paroksha, remote. So, by this, you will get the form Tushtuvas Pratipadikam you will get. The Tushtuvas when you decline, Tushtuvan, Tushtuvamso, Tushtuvamsaha. And the Tushtuvam only in the mantra it is that Tirairangai is Tushtuvahum Sastanubihi. Because I remember you asked me long back, but I said
Yes, Guruji.
not ready. Even also I'm saying you're not ready yet. Okay, to go a long way to come to that. But recently I covered, I remember, I think I've got strong memory. Okay. Because I remember what you asked. So you can go and check if you want that class.
Yes.
That I've done that. Of course, some corrections are there. I will do it in next class. Okay, this is something incident, not important, because I remember you asked. That's why I was sort of telling you this. It's too early to that time you asked me. Even also because it is you have to know lit lakara. If not lit lakara, at least what this kosu will do, you know. You must know. Kosu will do a lot of things. It will do duplication of the dhatu, like in the third gana. Duplication. Dhatu gets repeated and a lot of other abhyasa karya will happen. Then finally you get the pratipadikam tushtuva sakaranta shabda. Sakaranta shabda we don't know, we have not seen. We will see after some time. Because we have been dealing, continuously seeing Vyakaran, that is why taking some break. Vidvas Shabda, all those Shabdas we will take. And if you are interested, please watch Ashtadhyayi Pravesha, your choice. If you can understand, it is good. Otherwise, we will see later. Anyway, coming back here. Please read. Janaschandram Pashyati.
Janaha Chandram Pashyati Tushyati cha.
What's in the year?
Visarga followed by Kar letter Guruji.
Yes, therefore Visarga will.
Replaced by Sakara.
And then?
Shutva.
And then Shutvam.
Shutvam.
Even, and the word Janaha is derived by Jana plus Su, Pratama Vyakti, Su. Janas.
Janas.
Janas is Padanta Sakara. Replace it by Ru.
Repa.
Ru is nothing but Repa. And Repa will become Visarga. When followed by Kararasa. That's how it happens.
Yes.
So therefore, Janas Chandram Pashyati Tushyati Cha. Okay. Pashyati Cha, Tushyati Cha, you can say, or one Cha is enough. Your choice. Okay.
Agree.
And Karta Karma and all very clear. So
Yes.
it's okay. Next one.
Yeah.
What is the Dhatu Pashyati?
Pashyati.
Fresh
Drishta.
dhatu.
It's our choice.
Drishir. Drishir Dhatu. Tushyati is Tush Dhatu.
Tushta.
Okay. Good note. Next one.
Patrani.
Brashyanti.
Patrani.
Brashyanti.
Patrani Brashyanti. Yes. Means
Brashyanti. What's the meaning, Guruji?
Leaves fall.
Brashyanti falls. Patanti ityartha.
Patati.
You can see here Brashyanti to fall is given. Brashyati. Brashyataha Brashyanti.
Pashyati. Okay.
Bramsh Dhatu. Bramsh becomes Brashyati. Brashyati, Brashyataha, Brashyanti. Patrani, Patanti ityartha. Okay. You know how that Anuswara goes away? How it goes away? Dhatu is Bramsh, right? Remember how it goes away? Divadigana, Bramsh Dhatu. I think I taught you this. How it goes away.
Anidit Dhatu.
Exactly. That is why it is important I told. Yes.
Yes. Anidit Dhatu.
Anidit Dhatu.
Nakara goes away.
Nakara goes away. Here, that Bramsh Dhatu, Nakara, that Anuswara is because of Nakara. And that Nakara, you have to understand, Anuswara is because of wherever in the Dhatu you see Nakara, you have to understand Nakara is because of Nakara. And the Nakara is not because of the Num, because which is caused by the Idit Dhatu.
Idit Dhatu.
This is Anidit Dhatu. When Anidit Dhatu having Hal at the end followed by the Kit Pratyaya, then this Nakara will go away. That is what we have seen. Very important sutra. I just now told that this is where it's applied. Applicable, you can see application. Bramshati. Similarly, where Damshati. That Damshati also same only. Damshati. What happened? Damshati. There also it is there. There also we have Akara. That I mean, nakara, the anuswara is nothing but nakara, right? Followed by. It is followed, this is Anidit Dhatu, right? That nakara is come because it is Anidit. Therefore, what will happen? But there it is something different because it is followed by Shab Pratyaya, not Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, that we have some other rule. When Shab Pratyaya follows, this will happen. You can please check your Vadigana. That the rule is different. Damsh Dhatu, that Nakara, that Anuswara is because of this Nakara, and Nakara not because Dhatu being an Idit Dhatu, but still that Nakara gone away because that is very different sutra, different rule. That is a rule for the, because this Dhatu Damshati belonging to the first Gana, and therefore Shap follows. Shap is a Pit Pratyaya, it is not a Kit Pratyaya. So therefore Anidita Halaga will not apply. We have one more sutra, that is Damsha Sanja Svanjam Shapi. One sutra is that will apply. 6424. Anyway, you can note the difference between these two. This one, don't pay the first Gana. First Gana Shap will come. Shap is a Pit Pratyaya. So only when Kit Pratyaya follows, Kit, Giti, then only this applies. Therefore, fourth Gana and other Ganas, you can see this being applied. Anidit Dhatoho, this Nakarasya, Lopaha Bhavati. Anidit Dhatu, having consonant at the end, then this Anuswara, which is because of Nakara, will vanish when followed by a Kit Pratyaya. That doesn't happen for Damsh because it is not followed by Kit Pratyaya, it is followed by Shap Pratyaya. Shap is Pitta, right? It is not a Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, doesn't happen for Damshta. You can know the difference between the two.
Yes, Guruji.
I hope all of you follow.
Yes, Guruji.
Next. Yeah, therefore, Brashyati. Bramsh becomes Brashyati. Brashyataha Brashyanti. Next one, number 9.
Nripo dasan kshamyati.
Sandhi.
Nripaha dasan kshamyati.
Means what?
The king forgives the
King
servant.
forgives the servants.
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 Shamyati, right? Sham dhatu. Sham means what? To forgive.
Forgive.
Sham is given here. Yes, to forgive. Given.
Shamyati.
Next one.
Hridam.
Hridam. Nikasha.
Hridam. Ikasha. Bala. Divyanti.
Yeah. Kriya padam is. Div
dhatu.
Kriya padam is Divyanti. Div dhatu. Not Div dhatu. Div dhatu. That becomes Div dhatu. Who is the karta?
Bala.
Bala is Ekavachanam. Divyanti Bhagavachanam. Mismatch.
Oh, yes, Guruji.
Balaha.
Balaha.
So therefore it's a typo. Should we add Visarga? A typo, right?
That is Lopa.
That is Lopaha. Sandhi.
Lopaha.
Bala Divyanti is Balaha Divyanti. Sandhi has happened. What Sandhi is that? Visarga preceded by Yakara followed by Ash letter. Yakaraha. Yakarasya Lopaha. Avashyam Bhavati. Therefore Balaha Divyanti. If you not allowed, then you will take Bala to be girls. One girl. No, it is Balaha Bhagavachanam. To be girls or boys. What are they? Because Bala, Bale, Balaha, Balaha, Balo, Balaha. Bhagavachanam is same. But it is plural. That is for sure.
Divyanti.
Boys or girls, we don't know. That doesn't matter. But Bhagavachanam, it cannot be Ekavachanam. Okay. So Divyanti, they play. Where? Putra.
Around the lake.
Nikasha is
Near,
not around. I mean, near the lake.
Okay.
Next
Upapada
one.
Vibhakti.
Yes, Upapada Vibhakti.
Yes.
Next one.
Someone will read, Guruji.
Yes, please read.
Kusumam jikrami.
Yes.
Kriyapadam jikrami. Aham kusumam jikrami.
Okay, there's something there to discuss. Next one.
Gaja dhamanti. Gajaha dhamanti kriyapadam. Kaha dhamanti. Gaja dhamanti.
Gajaha, right?
Gajaha.
Visarga is okay. Bhagavachanam. Same rule. Okay. Next one.
Trunam karam vidyati.
What does it mean?
The hand, the grass is cutting the hand. Grass
Who is the
cuts the hand.
karta?
Trunam.
Trunam is the karta.
Hmm.
Trunam karam vidyati. Trunam, grass cuts the hand. The munjadi grass, it will very sharp, it will cut the hand. Trunam karam vidyati. So object is kara, subject is trina. So you have to understand depending on the context. Kara cannot also possible, but I mean depending on the context purely. Possible means you may have to give some background to substantiate that. Both look same, but the difference is trina is napumsakalinga, kara is pullinga. Okay, next one.
Dasau thanam harataha. Kriyapadam harataha. To
Ke artaha, that's a kau artaha, not ke. Kau artaha.
Dasau harataha.
Kim
Kim
dhanam.
harataha, dhanam harataha.
Next one, number 15.
Hradam sarvato vrikshas tishtanti. So, tishtanti kriyapadam. So, sandhi has happened. Vrikshaha tishtanti. So, visarga preceded by akara and followed by khar letter. Sakara has come.
Yes.
And sarvataha also sandhi.
That also sandhi. Ukara, then uda. Okay. Hradam sarvataha. So, Hradam sarvataha means?
Surrounding the lake, trees
All around the
all
lake.
around the lake. Vrikshaha tishtanti. Trees are there all around the lakes, right? Next one. Simple one. Quickly.
Pramyamaha.
Means?
Vayam pramyamaha.
Vayam pramyamaha. Next one.
Matyataha. Yuyam matyataha. So, yuva matyataha.
You are all satisfied. Madhyataha. Happy. Next
Happy.
one.
Shamyatha. Yuyam shamyatha.
Means? Yuyam shamyatha. Yuyam, right?
Shamyatha.
Sorry, Yuyam. Okay, sorry. Yeah, yes. Yuyam. Yeah. Yuyam shamyatha. And here it is
You
Yuyam.
all be
Okay, you said
quiet.
Yuyam. Okay. You all keep quiet.
Be quiet.
Shamyatha, right? Next one. Number 19.
Dashati. Saha dashati. So he bites.
It's somebody, so we have to supply. Saha dashati, he bites. Ramaha dashati. Next one. All simple sentences. Next one. Number 20. Please read, anybody.
Bala shramyanti muyanti cha. Balaha shramyanti cha muyanti.
Yes. Balaha, they are tired and therefore
they faint.
They faint. Okay, next one. 21.
Dhanamantarena jivanam nashyati.
Yes.
Jivanam nashyati. Jivanam is the karta. Dhanam antarena. Without money.
Without money. Yes. So, Upapada Vibhakti. Next one. Continue.
Kusume yachavaha. Yachavaha.
Ava mechavaha, right? We do. What?
Kusume. Flowers.
Means?
Kusuma.
How many?
2 flowers.
2 flowers. We too give 2 flowers.
2 flowers.
That's the meaning. Kusume. Okay, next one.
Nrupascha sidati. Balaha nrityanti. Nrupascha sidati. So Balaha nrityanti is one sentence.
Yes.
Cha nrupaha sidati.
Yes. So boys or girls, whatever it is, dance, and nripaha is nipaha sits, right? Sidati. Next one.
Dasaha kamalam asyati. Asyati to throw. The servant throws the lotus.
Lotus. Next one.
Patram guhasi. Patram, the vessel hides. Guhdhatu.
You, because
you hide the vessel.
You hide the vessel. Patra is karma. Next one.
Ashvam yachami. Ashvashcha shamyati.
Yes.
I give the horse.
Yachami is.
No, I restrain the horse.
Yes.
I restrain the horse and the horse becomes quiet.
Quiet. You cannot say I give a horse becomes quiet. This here yam is to restrain. That.
Restrain.
So yeah, that also become yach only. Depending on the context, we have to take the meaning. Aham ashvam yachami. I
restrain the horse.
Yama, that's called yama. Yama niyama pratyaha, that yama. Ashvasya shamyati. Okay, next one.
Shisha namati. Shisha namati.
Sheer, the repa is missing.
Sheersha. Sheersha.
Sheershaha. Sheershaha namati. Sheershaha means yed. Shiraha ityaha. Shiraha namati yed. That's namaskara. Okay. Next one.
Kapotaha kusumam harati.
Not kapataha, kapotaha. It is typo. Yeah. Harati.
Harati
takes away.
Takes away. The pigeon takes away the flower.
Yes, that's all. Conjugate the following in the present tense. You can try this as your homework. Already you think you did this. Translate the following into Sanskrit. You can do quickly. If you can do it, very good. If you're not prepared, coming and doing this fresh, it will be nice. If you prepare it, it's okay. These sentences are simple. If it is difficult, I will ask you to prepare and come. Now, I throw fuel.
Indhanam asyami.
Start with the Kriya Padam, no? Asyami.
Oh, asyami.
Then Indhanam asyami. Okay, next one. Two men are dancing near the well.
Naram abhitaha nrityataha.
Nrityataha, say first, nrityataha. Kau nrityataha?
Narau
nrityataha. Kutra?
Kupam nikasha.
Kupasya samipe or kupam nikasha. Anyway, kupam nikasha, it is there given the lesson. You take kupam nikasha. People run to the palace.
Dhavanti.
Ke dhavanti.
Janaha dhavanti.
Kutra dhavanti.
Prasadam nikasha.
Prasadam.
Prasadam prati dhavanti.
Prati. Good. Prasadam prati. They run towards. They run to the palace. Prati is good. Not abhitaha. Prasadam prati. Prati you have to say. Okay. Prati is upasarga. Therefore prasadam upapada vibhakti. Janaha prasadam prati dhavanti. The elephant eats, leaves, drinks water, and is pleased. Eats.
Parnam khadati, jalam pibati.
Parnani khadati.
Parnani khadati.
Tushyati.
Jalam cha pibati.
Then tushyati, it's happy.
Tushyati.
So gajaha is ekavachanam. Parnani khadanti gajaha. Jalam pibati. Tushyati.
Tushyati cha. Okay.
Yes. Pigeons do not bite.
Kapotana na danshanti.
No, dashanti. It is dashati, dashataha, dashanti.
Yes, dasanti.
Dhatu is damsh, but becomes dashanti. Che na dashanti, kapotaha na dashanti. Two servants hide the fruits and the food. Hide.
Guhataha.
Very good. Guhataha. Ke, cow.
Dasau.
Kam or kani.
Palani annam cha.
Annam cha guhataha. Okay. I play and I am glad.
Kridami tushyami cha.
Agam kridami ekavachanam only. Kridami tushyami cha. Or divyami also you can say because this is Portugana here. Anyway, you can say as you want, no problem. We don't praise wealth. Praise.
Shamsamaha.
Vayam. Dhanam na shamsamaha. Okay. You too smell the flowers. Smell. You too. Remember you too. Smell.
Yuvam
jigrataha. What?
Kusumam.
Yuvam kusumam jigrataha. They stand on all sides of the village. They stand.
Tishtanti.
Paritaha.
Gramam paritaha
tishthanti.
Gramam paritaha tishtanti.
Yes, Gramam Paritah, Sarvatah Tishtanti, you can say. Men dig the place and carry the gold away. Dig.
Khanati.
Khanati. Khananti.
Naraha.
Khananti.
Khanati,
Naraha,
because men.
Khananti.
Yeah, Khananti.
Naraha.
What do they dig?
Sthanam.
Swarnam.
They dig the place. Kshetram, or Sthanam, you can say. Kshetram.
Kshetram.
The place.
Khananti.
Khananti and carry away the gold. Carry?
Nayanti.
Nayati.
No, here carry means stealing away. Okay. Haranti, you can say. You
Haranti.
can say Nayanti also. Okay, you can say nothing wrong.
Choranti. Chorayanti.
Chorayanti or Haranti or Nayanti also is okay, no problem. What? Gold.
Gold.
Swarnam.
Swarnam.
Swarnam, Kanakam,
Mm.
Archa, Haranti. You are weary and you sit. You're tired and you sit. So,
From
Tishtasi. Tvam tishtasi.
Shramyasi and therefore
Sidasi.
Sidasi, sit.
Sidasi.
The horses are not quiet.
Ashvaha na shamyanti.
Na Shamyanti, yes.
Nashamyanti.
Boy, the king is not pleased.
Nrupaha na tushyati.
Na tushyati.
Na Tushyati. The crow pierces the fruit. Pierces.
Vidyati.
Kakaha.
Yeah, Vidyati. Kaha Vidyati.
Takaha. Takaha phalam vidyati.
Phalam vidyati.
Kim Vidyati, Palam Vidyati. Kakaha Palam Vidyati.
Phalam vidyati.
The boy is faint.
Balaha.
Mukhyanti, Ke Mukhyanti, Balaha
Vidyati.
Mukhyanti. The man blames the two servants.
Nindati. Naraha dasau.
Naraha dasau nindati.
Yes,
Nindati.
Naraha Daso Nindati.
Nindati.
Life without happiness becomes misery.
Bhavati becomes.
Bhavati is okay, fine. What becomes what? Jivanam Bhavati. First is Jivanam. Jivanam Bhavati. Jivanam without
Happiness.
Happiness. Sukham
Sukham
vina.
Vina.
Sukham.
Jivanam.
Klesham bhavati.
Dukkam Bhavati. Here
Dukkam
subject predicate. Okay.
Mm.
Jivanam Sukham Vina. Dukkam Bhavati. Jivanam Dukkam. The Dukkam Bhavati is predicate. Same vibhakti as Jivanam. Sukham is Ditya vibhakti. Vina governs Sukham in Ditya vibhakti. Therefore, Upapada vibhakti. Jivanam Sukham Vina. Jivanam Sukham Vina Dukkam Bhavati. Therefore, Jivanam Dukkam Bhavati. Jivanam Pratama vibhakti. Dukkam also Pratama vibhakti.
Mavibhakti.
Right? It is predicate. Subjective complement we say. We see the moon. Next one.
Vayam chandram
Pashyamaha.
Okay. Elephants live on both sides of the lake.
Gajaha.
Gajaha.
Always start with
Vasanti.
Kriya Padam. Okay. Don't start with the elephants mean elephant.
Vasanti.
Vasanti, Jivanti, Ke Jivanti,
Gajaha.
Gajaha
Gaja Jivanti, Kutra Jivanti.
Bhayataha.
Radam.
Hridam
Radam. Ubayataha, both sides.
Ubayataha.
Always start with the Kriya Padam. That should be your habit.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. This lesson we have done. The next lesson, you'll see the exercise. If it is difficult, you can work on this. Otherwise, you can do in the class. So, Chaturthi Bhakti. You can try this, okay? You can try this English to Sanskritam. Sanskritam and English, you can do in the class directly. So, next lesson deals with Chaturthi Bhakti and Tudadigana. Tudadigana is simple. We will see Tudadigana, deal with that later. But here, whatever it is, Dhadus are there, that alone we will see. Okay. Next class, we will do infant reader, next lesson. Then after that, next week after next, we will do this Tudadu. So, your time to work for this. Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om
Dhanyavada Guruji.
Dhanyawada Guruji.
धन्यवादः
Dhanyawada
Dhanyawada
Guruji.
Guruji. Dhanyawada Guruji.
Dhanyawada.